Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you an Aldi grocery haul and meal plan. I feel like it's been a while since I've done one of these, but I feel like I got a lot for my money today, so I want to share it with you. So I'm going to show you all the things that I bought today, and stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to share with you my meal plan for the week. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and let's get started. I'll show you the things that I bought. I got 8 pan au chocolats times 2. I've got 2 packets of those. This one's already been opened by the kids. I got a pack of the original super soft wraps, a packet of the puff pastry twists, the cheesy kind. They do a cheese and onion version as well, but we like the cheese ones. I got our usual Hovis medium sliced wholemeal loaf. I got a packet of the fusilli pasta, a packet of these wheat crackers, a jar of bolognese, a packet of white potatoes, and I like these ones because they're really big, so if you're peeling them it doesn't take so long, and also they are good for baked potatoes if you can get some big ones in the packet. I got a packet of these brioche rolls, a packet of mini apples, 2 packets of bananas, one that are a little bit green that will keep and one that is ready to eat just now, a packet of carrots, a cucumber, a red cabbage, a broccoli head, a packet of these chocolate oaties which we love, they're a bit like chocolate hobnobs, and I got 2 bars of chocolate because we're going to be doing a Halloween project with that. Okay, so now for the fridgy items. So I got 2 packets of the 8 pork sausages, and I went for their premium brand this time. You can get cheaper ones, but I've gone for the fancier version. I've gone for 2 packs of those. I picked up the pack of 2 unsmoked gammon steaks, and I've got 2 of those so that there's 4 altogether. I have some turkey mince, and it's just 2% fat, this one, so it's nice and healthy, and I went for 500 grams of that. I'm planning on making a different recipe, something I've never used this for before, so stay tuned for my meal plan at the end and I'll tell you what I'm going to do with that. I got this pack of 4 breaded fish fillets. It's pollock, the kind of fish that it is, and you get 4 in a pack, and it was only £2 something, so really affordable. I've never seen these in this pack before, but yeah, really affordable. I got this lean diced steak. I'm going to be making something in the slow cooker with this. Again, I'll let you know in the meal plan at the end. I got this pack of beef meatballs. There's how many in a pack? 12 in a pack. I got this, I've never seen this before, but it was in the fridge section, and it is creamy parmesan and cheddar poured over sauce. You just heat it in the bag and pour it over, and yeah, I've gone for the cheesy one. They also had a peppercorn one, so I don't know if that's a new thing or if I've just never spotted it before, but I got that to put over some vegetables for a meal this week. I got 4 quilted toilet rolls, just because we need toilet rolls. I normally go for a big pack, but we've got quite a stock already, so I just thought I'd get that as a top up. I got some coleslaw. I picked up the reduced fat one by mistake. I normally get the full fat one because it's for Elle. Elle absolutely loves coleslaw. She'll eat it out the tub with a spoon. Yeah, so she doesn't need the reduced fat one, but that's what I picked up by mistake. I got a pack of the Norpack butter, which is like their copy of Lurpak, and I always go for the lighter one because we eat that and I do not need full fat butter. So I got that. I got a packet of Baby Bells. Elle asks for this every single time we're in a shop, and she doesn't like them. She likes the idea of them, and every time we get them, they go to waste. But every so often I get them just in case she's discovered she likes them. But I imagine these will probably go with Andrew to work for him to have with his lunch at work. I got this pack of mini sausage rolls just for lunches at home for the kids. This has already been opened, they've already started eating these. But yeah, there's a fair few in there for lunches. I got this packet of the split pot crunch yogurts. These are like a copy of the Muller Crunch Corner yogurts. There is the banana and chocolate flakes, vanilla and chocolate balls, and toffee chocolate hoops. And Caitlin likes one kind and Elle likes the other kind, so it works out quite well. They seem to split them quite well. And I got 2 cartons of 4 pints of milk, 2 litres in each. This, and I go for the skimmed milk. And that is all my fridgy items. One thing I forgot, I also got some cooked ham for sandwiches. So that is everything that I got this week. I'm going to pop the price up of how much that all came to so that you can see And now I'm going to show you our meal plan for the week. So this week's meal plan. Monday we are having mince pies, potatoes and carrots. We've actually already eaten this, which is why I didn't show you in the meal plan. But I will insert a clip of our dinner this evening. It was mince pies, potatoes and carrots, and I have included the mince pies in the overall price of our shop. Tuesday we are going to have spaghetti and meatballs. I tend to keep a stock of things like dried pasta and rice, so I know I've got spaghetti in the cupboard, and we'll have that with the meatballs that I bought and the jar of bolognese sauce. Wednesday we are going to have fish chips and peas. With the fish that I bought, I'll make homemade chips out of the potatoes, and I know I've got peas in the freezer to go with that. Thursday we're going to have sausage and mash. With the sausages that I bought, I'll make some mash out of the potatoes and the red cabbage that I bought. Friday we're going to have Korean beef and rice with broccoli. The Korean beef I'm going to stick the beef in the slow cooker and then add some other things to it to make the Korean beef. I will cook up some rice. Like I said, I keep a stock of dried things like rice, so I've got plenty of that I know in the cupboard to serve with that. And I will do the broccoli in the steamer, I think, because last time I added it to the beef in the slow cooker and it turned out really mushy and it wasn't too nice. So I'm going to cook the broccoli separately in the steamer and serve it with the beef and rice. Saturday I'm going to be making turkey patties, which is a new recipe I want to try. I saw it on somebody's YouTube video, I think, actually, and it looked really tasty, so I'm going to give that a try. It's almost like a turkey burger. Use breadcrumbs and things, so I'm going to give that a go. And I haven't decided what I'm going to serve that with yet, so I've left that blank, but I've plenty veg and things that I can serve that with. Sunday we are going to have the gammon steaks that I bought with some veg. I'm going to heat up that cheese sauce sachet that I bought and serve it with the veg, and that'll be our dinner on Sunday night. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!